In this video, I am going to tell you how you can connect Spotify to Discord app on your PC. So watch this video till the end. To do this process, first of all, you need to open google.com and need to type download Discord. After that, open this first link, discord.com, and download Discord. Make sure to sign up for an account and then sign into your account like this. I have already installed and log into my Discord account. After that, you need to go to this dashboard, and herein you can find here at the bottom user settings. Just click on this. After that, you will get these options. At the left panel, you need to click on connections. Herein you will get a button of Spotify. You can automatically detect accounts for other platform as well. You can turn this option on, or you can do it manually as well. Click on Spotify. You need to log in to Spotify. So after logging in, click on agree. You can see it is connecting. Connected your Spotify to your Discord. You can close this window and go back. So you can simply go to your Discord again, and you can see here Spotify is now connected. So you can see display Spotify as your status. You can display it or you can turn it off. It's up to you. And if you want to disconnect it, you can simply press on this cross button, and that's it. It will ask you for authentication. You can click on disconnect, and now it is disconnected. So this is very easy. I hope friends now you will be able to do it. In case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and also subscribe my channel for my upcoming videos. Bye bye friends, take care.